Well, good morning, folks, in YouTube land. William from Williams, Philippines. I'm hoping you're having a blessed Tuesday. It is 6/11/2024, June 11th. Yeah, Tuesday. Coming up toward the morning, I'm about to have to get up and start doing breakfast here. Some strange reason, people like to eat in the mornings, and I get to take care of that problem. Feed them. Yay. Some days you end up having to run across more a-holes than you really want to have to deal with. It just happens. It's better always to try to just let it go. And I'm usually pretty good at dealing with them. But when you run across one, it's pretty easy to walk away. Two, pretty easy. Third one got a little more complicated. And then the fourth one, quite honestly, wanted to just send them away. Don't need your business. Some days are just like that. All I know is I really don't need that kind of stress. Yeah. Stress is not a good thing to have to deal with. Stress kills, okay? They've got that proven. So I try to avoid stress. It is what it is. Yeah. And I'm trying to deal with the fact that my teeth are hurting on top of all that. So I have a headache from a tooth. Toothache. It's not really a toothache as much as it is a denture ache. But hey, I got teeth. At least the upper one's in. I ain't even going to try that lower one. That was just too painful. I might try to wear it for a little while and carry it over and let the dentist see if they can adjust it a little. But that one has like 5 major spots on it that are just painful. And I don't know if I even want to try that just for one molar in the back on the bottom. Yeah. Not thinking it's a good thing. Anyway, the fun of the day, dealing with people that choose to be very negative and want to run over people. Don't get me wrong, I can be that way too. But I try to not go there. And when I do go there, I want it to be somebody who deserves it because they're being an a-hole. I've said it before. I'm not an a-hole, I'm a whole A. I like giving a-holes lessons. And I'm pretty good at it. But some days you end up having to deal with one and, the stress levels get up there. Which is not good. Because, like I say, stress kills. I don't usually have that many people in one 24-hour period that cause me that much stress. Like I said, the first two didn't even register. It wasn't until I hit the third one, that got to the third one that, had to deal with a little. And then to that fourth one, all in one day. It's no good. But, hey, don't let it sit there and brew. You don't need to let it steep and get stronger and madder. Let go and let God. Walk away from it and let it go. Yeah. But at least this one here finally realized that, he wasn't going to get away and get to do things his way. And he finally decided to back up and, I stepped back after that and, let things go to peaceful. Some days, though, Anyway, I'm hoping that it is dry enough in the backyard today to actually get to the mowing, because for the last week there's pretty much been rain most of the days. I'm getting tired of rain, but High Plains desert, we always need rain. So I don't disparage the rain, but I'm definitely getting tired of it. You know, it's one of those things. And yes, it is what it is. If nothing else, I'll try to take and do the front yard and the back behind the fence and get that took care of so that I can, not have to do that again for a while. But with all the rain we're getting, everything's growing like crazy. And my yellow is, hey, we're green now. Yeah, it is what it is. Anyway, I'm hoping that it's been a very blessed day for y'all. And I'm going to take and try to get this thing started into the system. I hope it's a very peaceful day for you and me. So, William from Williams, Philippines. And I hope everybody's having a good one. Blessings to all. Even the a-holes and whole A's. Yeah, especially the a-holes and the whole A's. God says we're supposed to love our enemy. Okay, well, I'm not too strong there, but blessings to them. That's kind of what God wants us to do is, try to grow. Not let that kind of stuff mess with us too much. So, anyway, I'm tired. I did not rest as well as I should have, and now I've been stressed. So I'm really, like I say, I got a headache. These teeth are, the teeth are trying to mess with me. It is what it is. Anyway, William from Williams, Philippines. Try this again. Good day, litter, blessings, and bye-bye. And well, and fish. This is fish. And fish is about to swim away and be fish out. Blessings.